Hey everybody, today we're in a Nissan Ariya. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip angled mount number 855892. And before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it as this blue covering here. Now you'll want to peel that blue covering off before you install the mount. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. The second thing we want to mention is always make sure you attach the mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now this mount is going to install in the passenger side center vent, and you can install it either on this side or on this side of the central little handle here. So we're going to do it on this side today. It's going to go into the bottom seam is between this wood grain panel and the interior of the vent in here. The second seam is right behind this leatherette piece of the dash. Basically, if you feel it with your finger, there's a little seam right in here. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to take your included angle gap opener and we're going to insert it in the bottom seam just to open that up a little bit. Basically, whichever side you're doing it on, you put the gap opener in the center, you should have no problems. So you get it in there. Once the gap opener is in place, we're going to insert the lower L-shaped lip into that seam. With the lower seam in place, now we're going to use our thumbs to press down on the top of the mount just to flex this upper lip down so we can get it underneath the leather trim and up into that seam we need to. There we go. Once it's in, can remove the gap opener, and now we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.